this is your PHS News Today for Thursday, March 7th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleymedia@paley.k12.ion.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Throwback Thursday. We will show you a picture and you have to tell us who it is. Here's the picture. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Jenny. This week we will be having dress-up days in honor of boys sectional. Today is where are you going when you leave home or school? What is your career? Tomorrow is no place like home. Junior high wear white. Freshmen and sophomores wear gold. Juniors and seniors wear purple. And Friday is also a dollar hat day. The proceeds will go to Cale Kibler's family. Tonight there will be a community pep session for the regional boys basketball game. The pep session will be in the upper gym at 7 p.m. Boys basketball will be playing Linton Stockton in their first round of regionals Saturday morning at Paley. The game will start at 10 a.m. The theme for the game will be any type of jersey. Back to you, Joni.
Drama Club 80s Karaoke Night has been postponed till spring. Contact Mrs. Wisher if you have any questions. And now to Aiden with your weather report.
Thank you, Jody. As you can see, we have no chance for rain today. We may have a slight chance of snow tomorrow. For your high, we have a high of a 36, and we have a low of a 30. As we head into your week, tomorrow we have a high of 42 and a low of 34. And Friday we have a high of 59 and a low of 40. Over to you, Audrey.
Today we have math teacher Mr. Stroud to talk about Pi Day.
Today we're 1 week away from Pi Day. Pi Day will be next Thursday, March 14th, and we are looking to celebrate it this year in a school-wide fashion. First thing I want to say is pi is 3.14. It's a mathematical constant that we use very often, and we want to encourage all staff to do a Pi Day activity within their classrooms. Encourage students to dress in any type of Pi Day fashion you would like to wear that day, and we're going to be running a goat schedule that day. We're going to go down to the auditorium and we're going to have 3 events take place. The first event we're going to do is a Pi Day trivia game with Kahoot, and we're going to try to get somebody from each grade level to represent that. And after that, we're going to have a pie eating contest where some students will get a chance to take on Mr. Key to see if they can beat him in a pie eating contest. And then finally, we're going to celebrate by memorizing digits of pi. So anybody who would like to try to memorize a digit of pi, you can stop by my room on Monday through Wednesday of next week, and all you got to do is sit down. I'll give you a blank piece of paper and you write down as many digits of pi as you can, and the winner will get a prize. The winner of the pie contest will get a prize, and the game will get a prize as well. If anybody is interested in doing any of those events, send me an email. I've sent out an email with details earlier this week, but if anybody else would like to be a part of that, just shoot me an email. And that's all for Pi Day.
Thank you, Mr. Stroud. Back to you, Joni.
Congratulations to Aaron Busick for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Michael Hall. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.